iBall Compbook Exemplaire is the budget Windows 10 laptop from iBall. iBall has some more versions of the budget Windows 10 laptop with the smaller screen size including the iBall Excellence. With the Exemplaire model you get the bigger screen over the iBall Excellence model. Here is the basic comparison between these two. Both the laptop has same configuration except the screen size and the weight. Excellence has 11.8-inch screen and the Exemplaire has the bigger screen, that is 14-inch screen. And the weight of the Exemplaire is more due to its bigger size. Otherwise, both of these laptops has Intel Atom quad-core processor with the speed up to 1.83 GHz. The RAM is 2 GB and the SD card capacity is 32 GB, which is expandable up to 64 GB on the both versions. The screen resolution of the both is 1366 by 768. Both has built-in Wi-Fi, dual speakers, Bluetooth version of 4.0 and built-in camera of 0.3 megapixel. Also, both has mini HDMI port. With the limited internal storage of 32 GB, which is expandable up to 64 GB, still limits the number of applications that can be installed in it. Of course, you can connect the hard disk up to 1 TB, but which can be used to store and access your data. The Exemplaire is priced little more over the Excellence. You can get the Excellence below 10K and the Exemplaire is priced around 16,000, but the online you can get it more cheaper. I got this for the 12,500 on Amazon. Having all these details, let's now unbox it. So what you get inside box is a notebook, a power adapter, the USB cable, user manual, cleaning cloth, warranty card, feedback form and the instruction note. Now let's open that. The laptop is neatly packed in the cloth bag to avoid the damage. The laptop comes in the choco color. This is looking very classy. See what does it have on the left side. A power plug input, 2.0 USB port, mini HDMI port, and on the other side it has SD card slot, 2.0 USB and a headphone jack. It has a non-skid arrangement at the base. This cloth is there to safeguard the screen against the scratches. Let's see how the keyboard is. The keyboard looks very good. Buttons are nicely placed. The tracking and mouse pad is also bigger and good. It also has two built-in mics. That's about the laptop. What else in the box? Let us see. One feedback form, the user instructions, the warranty card, user manual, cleaning cloth and the charger. So the USB cable mentioned on the box is the charger cable. Charger look very delicate, so you need to handle it very carefully. I have charged this for 3-4 hours, so let's continue startup. Before going to that, I just want this is the VGA camera here, which is around 0.3 megapixel. Let's start this. Their K logo, that's for Compbook 7487 9700. Initially I was just trying to press this button, but we need to keep pressing it until it start up. If you just press it for a second, it won't start. You need to keep pressure on it so it will start. Here we go. Hi there. You need to select the country, region, Everything is India and Indian time zone. So clicking next. Here we get some legal stuff, all the terms and conditions, the license terms to use the Windows and the laptop. So just read that. So I'm going to use express setting or just go for the customize. So let's see what are the different settings that we can do on the startup. So customize, so personalization, speech on, linking data to the Microsoft to improve the recognition and the suggestion platform. That's fine. Advertising ID for experiences across apps. That's Skype if we install. That's fine. Everything is fine. We have location setting as well. Everything is on. Let's keep that on. Keep going. Just a moment. Here we need to mention the username. I am leaving the password as a blank for now. It can be set up later. It also has Cortana, which comes with the Windows 10. Hi, we're happy you're here. This is some good messages that Windows 10 gives up on the start. So it is preparing in the background. Here we go. So we are now inside the Windows. I am checking if I can increase the brightness so we can see it more clearer. I don't find any direct setting to increase the brightness. Let's go from the power settings. Yeah, brightness is 50, 75, 100. Yeah, that's good. Looking very crispy now. Let's just go into the settings. You don't see any Explorer or the my PC, my computer type of folder. We'll just go through the Windows Explorer from here and we'll try to see the properties from inside to check the RAM and the memory. So this PC is the folder name to see all the drives. See here, you can see the hard disk is 21.2 GB free of 27.9 GB. That's 32 GB SD card. So you get very good a good amount of space for uses. If that's just 32 GB, Windows 10 just use 8 GB of the storage. So in case you want, you can also upgrade your card to the 64 GB and additionally you can connect the hard disk. System properties here. So Windows 10 home single language. This is the Windows edition. Manufacturer iBall, model is iBall Exemplaire. The processor is exactly the same one which is mentioned on the box. That's installed memory is mentioned as the RAM. That's 2 GB. This is 32-bit operating system. Then that's installed on the 64-bit architecture. So the processor is 64-bit. So you can even install the 64-bit of operating system. Mobile hotspot to connect it. It seems Wi-Fi is turned on. Yeah, it's already turned on. I can find my network here. You can see you get the Candy Crush Soda Saga game here. That's really good. And then some additional games you can install from the Windows Store. Looks good. We have Skype as well as Twitter. We can install it from the Windows Store. Guys, that's it for now. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get more updates on my new videos that will be coming, so you will be notified on new videos. I would be posting lot of videos, not just related to the technical, but I would also post lot of tricks that would be useful for our life, to make the life easier. Thank you. Goodbye for now.